Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're exploring a simple yet fundamental term that plays a key role in geometry, art, and even daily life. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as circle, 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 circle. It refers to a perfectly round shape where every point on the boundary is equidistant from the center. Circles are found everywhere, from the design of wheels to the layout of buildings, and even in nature. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about circle, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.